If you want to add a user to your Mac, so you can have two different sorts of settings. So if you browse the internet and you've got all your favorites and everything there, and they want to set up theirs and have a place where they store their documents and somewhere for you, you might want to have two separate users. So when you log in, you would choose who you want to log in as. You can also switch between users by clicking at the top here, and you can set this up so that this pops up and you can switch users there. So to get to your users and groups, what you need to do is go to System Preferences down here, choose Users and Groups by clicking on it, and what you need to do is unlock here so that you can make the changes, and it'll ask you for your password if you've got one. So I'm just going to do that. And then you'll see I've got my existing users here. I can change passwords. I could reset a password for somebody as well. I can delete them if I no longer want them here by clicking on that minus sign. Or if I want to add one, I can click one here as well. So I could add one in now. So I'm just going to add the cat. And then I could get a password put in there as well. I've got to verify it. And I might want to put a hint in as well. Now, by giving them standard, it allows me to have control so that they don't go and make changes that an administrator can make, like installing software and making other changes like this, so they couldn't add users. If you trust them, you can make them an administrator. You can manage them with parental controls, so that would allow you to control your children, what they're doing there, and you could also do sharing only. Okay, so they're the key ones that you want, and then you can just click on Create User. And it helps if I get my passwords right. So let me just click on that, and it might take a moment to set it up. There you go, they've now got their account all set and ready to go. So now when they log in, they just have to enter their password in and off they go. They're ready to use the computer.